Okay, guys, let's do a tornado siren, a super tornado siren.
Alright, here we are with Brian. We got some BC Coilovers for the Hondites. Damn. Must be nice being rich. For the Hondites. Sheesh, fake ass wheels. Oh shit, this shit's hella dusty. Let me see. Uy, la verga. No limpias el carro, güey. Oh, let's expose them. Oh shit. Oh, stay illegal.
Wait, what is that? What the fuck?
This thing's pretty stable. Cinematic shot.
Why did you? Hey.
What's that little thing?
You want me to lift it up again? Yes. Yes or no? Nigga just recording random ass shit. Nigga crazy.
I'm fucking bored.
Johnson? Oh no, not this. The hot dog man that got hot dogs from. Get your wieners on the beach.
Brembo certified.
He says that, fool. Yeah? I think you went to him once.
Alright. Here we go. I got the fucking weapon. Shit's about to get serial right now.
Hey, I'm not gonna fucking suction that thing.
Let me see. Ta-da. Ta-da. Ta-da.
This shit ain't working.
Put your back into that bitch.
Oh, you got it worked.
You have to twist it, fool.
It worked a bit.
Try to grab it from like right here.
Nice.
Hey, you did it! You took it.
This one's deeper. Let me see if it's over.
Wash your hands after.
Oh yeah, huh?
What kind of a blender?
Dude, this shit don't work no more. It's not getting air. Oh, you ripped it. That's why.
Try to go more over here. It's better.
Oh, just do it.
You should work
Just
at
do
a
it like
body
that,
shop.
all the way around.
Dude, you should work at a body shop. Let's see if it opens now.
No problem.
It's locked. I don't even think it's locked. Dude, you're actually taking it out. That's pretty impressive.
Damn. 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 That shit better.
You acting crazy right now. Excuse me while I enjoy the view. Oh, you got those panties I got you too, huh? Goddamn, girl. You acting real crazy, honey. Gotta tell you something. You gonna make me act up. You gonna make me do something I'm gonna regret. Come here, baby. Let me teach you something.
Because you get to experience it. But once you're doing it, like, fool, it's hard to live a lifestyle like that. Like
BC Bangkok. If you guys want to be gapping 350Zs, you need the puro reliable long tube headers. The downpipe.
Puro reliable. life.
E85 mix with some methanol.
And then it makes up your dreams.
And then you need some BC Coilovers, big cock. And then you need license plates that says low, because you get low
Don't
miles per
expose my
gallon.
license plate right now.
There it is.
Let me see this bitch lowered. I want to see it.
Well, we still got to the rear, bitch.
It doesn't matter. It'll still go down, bitch. At least a little.
They got the fronts done.
No, it has the jack stands on it.
No, y apretaste las tuercas.
No, not all the way. I just did hand.
Come on, Brian. You can't half-ass the job, bro.
Bro, I was doing this side to loosen this side.
What if they called you?
You
Hey,
put the jack
you gotta
stand
go
on
home.
there.
And then the car, they take it, and then they're like, hey, who was the last person to take it? Brian. Fired.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. Fired.
Ignore it. RPF ones.
Hey, show me.
I already did. They can see that shit. RPF one. We're going back to the fucking 80s cut. Or it's a 90, right?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. It's not 80, it's 90. Shoo. 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 Oh shit, that's a big ass tomate. There it is. Oh shit, it's a lowrider, fool. Majority of the clips you can hear me say sure. I have no idea what the fuck to say. Acá nomás. Fucking tome, envidia. Let's just meet at metal.
Custom coilover.
Hey Brian, I was looking at this, huh? This is pretty like average size, huh?
That's Oscar size, fool.
Oh, it's pretty big, huh, Oscar?
That's average, bro.
Oh, I know. I was looking at it. I was like,
Wait, what's your size?
it's pretty big, huh? I was looking. I was like, damn, this is fucking huge.
Average, bro.
Jesus Christ. That's the biggest fucking screwdriver I've seen. There they are. They're gonna about to do the back one.
You still have mounts, though, huh? Put that mount. I'm gonna put that strap on this one.
We'll see what Brian's doing.
Struggling.
But take off the rear ones.
Make it hard on the way home.
Huh?
Hard.
See, they finally finished. Shit. The rear was perfect. But they need to drop the front just a bit more. I need to drop the front like an inch. I was telling him like an inch, so you can still go up driveways and stuff. See.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, look at this.
Clean. Fucking Jonathan. I like it. Oh, what the fuck?
What's up?
I want to die and fucking...
Say basura.
Let me see what happened.
No, man.
Mira. Puro pito.
It's on the wrist. Se la jala mucho ya.
It's funny, you know what I mean?
Hey,
Vale verga, you're funny.
look at this. My headliner is gone. Gone. We gotta take the back seats. It's a bitch. Bro, look at this. I didn't even know this until we took the headliner off. Since my car is salvage, freaking the airbag, I didn't even know until I bought it. And 2 years later, which is now, fucking airbag, I didn't even know this shit was fucking deployed. But now, show them what we're using. Vinyl and fabric. Let's see, I can't see shit. You can get this at AutoZone, like $10 each can. And you want to make sure you get the gloss one. I mean, not the gloss,
the matte one.
The matte one.
I'm gonna use it like that.
That's good.
Hell yeah, that's really good. I'm very impressed.
And he gives out, and it's funny because once he gives out and he knows his limit, he'll lay down, and Remy will still go at it. Like, if I got the toy, what are you gonna do? All right, so this is the final. Looks real good. OEM. Boom. They're all done. Fucking shout out to this fool right here. The Pinchy JG. Look at that Joto. So it's done, and then now we gotta put it on this motherfucker. This is the fun part.